From doubters to devoted fans, here's why the 2027 Kia Telluride xpro is about to change everything. The new generation isn't just an update, it's a complete revolution that crushes every complaint people had about the old model. And honestly, there's nothing left to criticize. This is the moment Kia stops playing it safe and starts dominating the three-row SUV game. Let's break down 7 reasons why everyone's going to lose their minds. 7. Premium exterior design. Remember when people said Kia's styling was boring? Yeah, that era is officially over. The 2027 Telluride just dropped with a design so bold and confident, it makes competitors look like they're stuck in 2020. Kia threw away the rulebook and created something that actually turns heads. The new grille? It's aggressive. The headlights? Impossibly sleek with those amber daytime runners that scream premium. The xpro specifically gets blacked out wheel arches, mirrored trim, and a dark tactical vibe that says, "I'm ready for anything." The whole thing stretches longer and taller, looking less like a family hauler and more like a luxury expedition vehicle. The designers nailed the balance between elegant and rugged. You've got these sharp technical fender lines that look expensive. The rear end spans with connected LED lights that rival luxury brands, costing $20,000 more. Multiple trims mean multiple personalities. The xpro looks like it belongs on an adventure, while other variants feel refined and sophisticated. This isn't a facelift, this is a total rebirth. 6. Advanced hybrid powertrain. Let's talk about the elephant in the room. Fuel economy has always been the Telluride's weak spot. Kia heard the complaints loud and clear, and they responded with a hybrid system that's genuinely game-changing. A turbocharged 2.5-liter 4-cylinder paired with electric motors pumps out 329 horses and an insane 339 pound-feet of torque more power and better efficiency. Yes, that's actually happening. The hybrid doesn't just feel quick, it delivers instant electric torque that makes city driving feel sporty. Highway cruising? Smooth and efficient. Towing? The system pushes the capability higher than ever. Here's what makes this brilliant. The battery doesn't eat into cargo space or ground clearance. Off-road performance stays intact. The system is designed specifically for families who want performance, efficiency, and the ability to haul anything. Road trips become adventures instead of gas station marathons. 5. Expanded interior space. Strategic wheelbase extension and packaging optimization create materially improved interior dimensions throughout the cabin. The third-row seating gains meaningful legroom improvements, transforming functionality from occasional use configuration to genuine adult accommodation. Dedicated climate control vents integrated into the ceiling and available heated third-row seats address previous comfort limitations. Second-row redesign includes enhanced lumbar support, expanded adjustment ranges, and improved ingress or egress accessibility. Cargo capacity increases even with all 3 rows deployed. Smart storage solutions, enlarged door pockets, and configurable center console dividers maximize organizational efficiency. The expanded dimensions create a genuine 7-passenger vehicle rather than a theoretical one. 4. Cutting-edge technology. Kia just dropped tech features that most brands won't have for another 5 years. Picture this: a massive panoramic display system that curves across the dashboard like you're piloting a spacecraft. The infotainment system responds instantly. No lag, no frustration. Voice commands actually understand what you're saying. You can talk naturally instead of memorizing weird robot phrases. But here's the game changer: motion sensors inside the cabin. Lock your doors and accidentally leave a kid or pet inside. The car detects them and alerts you through your phone immediately. A camera rearview mirror shows you everything behind the vehicle without headrests blocking the view. Terrain modes let you optimize for snow, mud, or sand with one button press. Every all-wheel drive model gets this, not just the fancy trim levels. The head-up display projects everything onto your windshield. Multiple USB-C ports and wireless charging pads scattered throughout. This isn't just tech. It's tech that actually solves real problems. 3. Luxury-grade interior. Step inside and you'll think you've paid $70,000 for this thing. You haven't. That's the magic. The dashboard ditches complicated touchscreen for everything design and brings back physical controls that make sense. A big volume dial, dedicated climate buttons, haptic navigation controls. Everything feels substantial and well-designed. Soft touch materials everywhere. Premium leather wraps the seats. Real wood trim accents the cabin. The attention to detail rivals actual luxury brands. Ambient lighting with multiple color options transforms the Vibe premium audio system, deliver concert hall quality. Storage solutions are everywhere. Configurable center console dividers, oversized door pockets, organizational compartments in the cargo area. Even the base model feels like you're getting something special. The designers clearly thought about how real families live and designed accordingly. 2. V6 engine availability. Not everyone wants a hybrid. Some people just want a bulletproof, naturally aspirated engine that'll run forever. Kia gets it. The V6 is refined, smooth, and produces 287 horsepower. Pair it with an advanced transmission that shifts like butter. No turbo lag, no complexity. Just straightforward, reliable power delivery. Maintenance is simple. Longevity is proven. For families who want zero surprises, this engine is still the answer. Drive modes optimize performance for different situations. Suspension updates improve handling while keeping the ride comfortable. It's the safe choice that's actually the right choice. 1. Exceptional value proposition maintained. Here's where Kia completely crushes the competition. They made this massive, revolutionary SUV significantly larger, dramatically more capable, and packed with technology that competes with vehicles costing $15,000 more. And the price barely went up from the old model. That's not a typo. You're getting a vehicle that's physically bigger, more spacious, faster, more efficient, loaded with premium tech, and finished with luxury-level materials, all without paying luxury brand prices. The warranty alone makes competitors jealous. The 2027 Kia Telluride xpro represents a turning point. This is when Kia stops asking permission to compete with premium brands and starts demanding respect. With its aggressive design, revolutionary hybrid powertrain, class-leading interior space, cutting-edge technology, and materials that feel genuinely premium, this vehicle turned skeptics into believers overnight. The CEO's announcement of the xpro trim signals something important. Kia understands that adventure-seeking families don't want to choose between capability and luxury anymore. They want both. The xpro delivers exactly that 9 inches of ground clearance, all-terrain tires, recovery hooks, skid plates, and a design that screams confidence. This isn't just a new SUV, this is Kia's statement that the luxury 3-row segment isn't exclusive anymore. The 2027 Telluride xpro is here to prove that incredible vehicles don't require 6-figure price tags. Watch everyone scramble to catch up. Thank you for watching.